Dear students, we have discussed about the Battle of Plassey and the Battle of Buxar. Next topic is company officials become nabobs. Nabobs word is anglicized version of the Indian word Nabab. Dear students, the Battle of Buxar clearly displayed the military power of the British. Now, the English East India Company became the real ruler of Bengal. The British had all power and income but no responsibility. Now, there was dual government system in Bengal, means the Nawab was still responsible for administration, but he had no access to any resources. Dual government in Bengal was introduced by Robert Clive in 1765 and continued till 1772. Under this system, the administration of Bengal was divided into two parts, Diwani and Nizamat. Diwani means right to collect revenue was given to company, and Nizamat means administrative rights were given to Nawab. In these situations, each company servant began to have dream of living like Nawabs. The actual Nawabs of Bengal were forced to give land and vast sums of money as personal gifts to company officials. Dear students, there is a critical question that how did Clive see himself? Actually, Clive mentioned that a great prince was dependent on his pleasure and extremely rich city put down his mercy. He walked through wallets or treasure which were thrown open. When he left India in 1767, he had gained vast wealth. He was appointed governor of Bengal in 1764. So, dear students, just I have discussed this topic, company officials become Nawabs. Thank you so much.